Welcome to RoboBrief, 3 robotics stories you need today. First up, another Chinese humanoid just went from prototype to assembly line. Shanghai-based Matrix Robotics officially launched its 3rd generation flagship, Matrix-3, at BEYOND Expo in Macao, and at the same moment commissioned its MFH Factory in Zhangjiang for end-to-end mass production. Matrix-3 stands 1.7 metres tall, weighs 65 kilograms, walks at almost 4 kilometres an hour and lifts up to 15 kilograms with both arms. It runs on the Wave physical foundation model, packs biomimetic linear joints, a 27 degree of freedom tendon-driven hand, and a 3D woven biomimetic safety skin that senses contact in real time. Matrix says it can deliver 5,000 units this year and 100,000 by 2027. Next, at the 2026 Robotics Summit in Boston, Amazon Vulcan was named RBR 50 Robot of the Year. Vulcan is the first Amazon warehouse robot with a real sense of touch, a paddle and conveyor gripper, plus a suction cup arm, force and torque sensors, and AI-driven contact reasoning. It can now handle about 75% of the roughly 1 million unique items in Amazon's fulfillment inventory, working at human equivalent speed on items up to 8 pounds. Vulcan is already live in Spokane, Washington and Hamburg, Germany, with broader rollouts coming across Europe and the United States. The award caps a week of physical AI demos in Boston, including a live Neuralink brain-computer interface session that closed the show. Story 3, Atlanta-based Stored, raised a $250 million Series F at a $3 billion valuation and unveiled Stored Labs, a 10,000 square foot physical intelligence lab at its Atlanta headquarters. Stored Labs runs agentic AI, autonomous mobile robots, goods-to-person systems, and warehouse automation against real customer orders on the same operating system that powers Stored's nearly 100 fulfillment locations worldwide. Backers include Kleiner Perkins, Founders Fund, Franklin Templeton, Bailey Gifford, and Lux. Stored is pitching itself as the physical intelligence layer for commerce and an Amazon alternative for independent brands. That's your briefing. Want the Daily Robotics rundown in your inbox? Subscribe and check out robobrief.tech. See you tomorrow.